What's up, everyone? I'm here with an amazing hosting a deal running right now, through which you can get as much as up to 95% off when you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code through the tutorial I'm going to tell you step by step in this video. So let's get started. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landing to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running as much as up to 85%. Plus, I will tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get as much as up to 95% off on already running deals. So make sure to click on the link in the description. So once you land over here, you can see a special 30 days money back guarantee. So now this is a good thing regarding hosting. All of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use right with the coupon code to get this amazing discount. And if you scroll below, you may see that Hostinger got amazing reviews on Trustpilot. And if you look around on the click on this link to let me show you the reviews, and you may be surprised to see that they got amazing reviews. Police provides great customer support. He was very patient. Elias was very prompt and professional. I was having issues to trying to renew my domain. She reviewed really what I had been trying. The hosting support team rocks. I have over the years used many hosting and ISPs, but with hosting, you feel in a more safer environment, and that is the reason, which is why I'm using it on my own blog from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good. So make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. So what you have to do is just simply select the claim deal over here and move on to the plans. So now you can see you're getting up to as much as up to 85% off on premium business plan, and cloud startup is at 73%. Plus you are going to get 10% additional if you click on the link in the description and use either the coupon code as I'm going to tell you in this video. So do a research of all the plans, features, functions before you're going to offer any discount. So simply select the choose plan with any plan to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So now this link is going to move on to another page, and on that page we can apply the coupon code and get additional discount on already running discount deal at Hostinger. So now the page is loaded, and even you may be asked to log into your account, and I'm already logged in. So now moving over here, you can see a Black Friday deal is running right now. On this link, you may see your billing period. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods. You can offer 1 month plan, 12, 24 or 48 months. But guys, these are one-time special exclusive prices for my audience through the special discounting. So I encourage you guys to take the maximum out of it by opting for 48 months. But again, you can choose as per your convenience to get this amazing hosting or coupon code discount. So let's say we're going with a 48 months, which I personally wanted, and then select. You can see your order summary over here and select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discounting. And once you apply on it, and you're gonna see that your price got a further additional 10% discount, so 85% plus 10%, making it as much as up to 95% off. Now there is another coupon code as well, and that is related to Black Friday, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. So once you apply, you can see that your price has got a further discount. So this is also mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discounting, and you can see through this link you got a 48 months from 909 to 118. Daily backups, $100 free of cost, 3 extra months or 2 extra months, free domain, free setup, free domain privacy protection, and now you're getting a free domain as well, and you can get later on as well, but you can even claim it right now. For instance, if you want to claim a free domain right now, just simply select over here. For instance, I'm going to go with this name. It's all my personal preference. Okay, so I'm going to get it for free. So I can offer 1 year and I do not have to pay because this is for the first year and we can cancel anytime. So I'm going to write my coupon code over here to get this amazing discount. So simply apply over here and you're gonna see that my price got a further discount. So my 30 days money back guarantee is valid. So after this, select the continue over here. And I'm on my last part over here. Just for a revision, I have clicked on the link in the description using either of the coupon code, and you can see my prices got a further discount. And now you have to write your bill details over here and move on to the last part. And the last part to get this amazing coupon code discounting is to do your payment. Now, this is what I like regarding hosting. They offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So, guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose, and you can choose any as per convenience. So, let's go to the credit card, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit button. And within few minutes, you are going to get an email from HostGator with a special link to log into your HPanel as well. And just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either the coupon code to get this amazing discount at HostGator. I have tried to tell you a step-by-step tutorial, and within a few minutes of filling this, you're going to get an email from HostGator with all of your hosting account details and a link to login. So good luck with your hosting from HostGator, because this is the right time to buy, because special leads are running right now, plus a coupon code discount getting you as much as up to 95% off. So good luck with your hosting from HostGator. Good luck.